Hey everyone, you're about to witness the most hilarious twist on an ancient myth. What happens when the four horsemen of the apocalypse decide to ditch chaos for some good old fun? Let's dive in. So picture this, it's the 1000th annual boys' night for the four horsemen. Pestilence, famine, war, and death. Death is super pumped, but the rest? Not so much. Death's like, hey guys, remember the Queen in '96? That was epic. Pestilence nods, famine brags about 2012, and war's just bored. Determined to relive the good old days, Death decides to take things up a notch. He whips out this insane ritual involving lemons, and a soul from the spirit realm. Cue dramatic music and boom! A terrifying yet kind of funny demon appears. Death's all, let's unleash total destruction. But guess what? The other horsemen are like, nah, we've been enjoying the simple life. Cafes, ice cream, meeting new people. Who knew Pestilence loved vanilla bean? They convince Death to call off the apocalypse. At first, Death's hesitant. I mean, he's Death. He's supposed to bring doom, right? But then, he gets into it. They start playing video games, munching on snacks, and even celebrate Halloween. Death in a spooky sweater? Priceless. In the end, the four horsemen find joy in the little things. Who needs chaos when you've got camaraderie? It's a quirky reminder that happiness can be found in the most unexpected places. So, if you enjoyed this twist on mythology, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more fun content. Stay awesome, folks.